welcome guys. Obviously this year is different from the way we celebrate, but the reason we celebrate isn't different. We wanted to thank our customers, the small scraggly group of people you are, in a socially acceptable way. What you'll see is you're seeing something that's a bit different. We're actually playing with some new technology in Toronto at DPM called Reactiv, which allows us to do hopefully a bit of a more fun Zoom meeting. This is technology that sits on top of Zoom. So when you start seeing things move around and camera angles change and things pop in and out of the screen, it's actually not Zoom, it's something you were using. Today's event, we actually installed a camera in the ceiling of our conference room so we could take a downward shot of our bartender making his cocktails. We had a front-forward camera to help us through the presentation with our two bartenders. And then we had a second camera so that we had a third angle of view for our meeting. I think Reactiv really impressed our clients. I think they really impressed the new technology, and it was much different than any other Zoom meeting they've ever had before.
Dave, why don't you put it up on the screen so everyone knows
what do you guys think of the technology so far?
That's awesome. Amazing.
Hey, Rob? That's neat stuff, hey, Rob?
I'm impressed, Nikki. I'm impressed.
This is really neat stuff.
Yeah.
We'd be happy to hook you up if you're interested in the technology. Because Reactiv is actually going to change some of the ways we do meetings, so we're going to start using it a lot more. But yeah, hopefully you guys had a lot of fun. Have a good night, everybody.
Have a good night. Have a good night.
Thanks so much, guys.
Thanks, everybody.
Thank you, everybody.
Thanks, Nick.
Cheers.
Bye.
Bye.
Hey, we just finished up our DPM client event. 2 hours of fun using Reactiv TV to do a cocktail class. In today's world, obviously we couldn't be with our clients face-to-face, so Reactiv was a great tool to allow us to have some fun and interact with our clients making cocktails. So the big benefit of having Reactiv with us today is we were able to share video, we were able to share live photos from our contestants when they were making cocktails, and it was really advantageous to moving around media during our conversation. And Reactiv made this the most fun Zoom meetings we've ever had before.